Welcome. Today is Tuesday, December 15th, 2020. Our agenda today is we are going to review our Google Meets, review our class norms, review and recite our mission statement and goals, go over our science warm-up, and then go on Canvas and complete one of the science week 17 reviews. There's 3 of them, remember? You should have finished one yesterday. That's not. Our Google Meet etiquette is to show up on time, work in a quiet place, have all your supplies, mute your microphone, make sure that your video is on, raise your hand or use the nod when you have a question, sit up fully engaged in your learning, we are not laying down, and then leave at the end of the meeting. Our class norms are to be kind, be respectful, and be working. Our mission statement, and remember, I can see your mouths moving. So, we will work together as friends and family in Mrs. Met's class to gain more knowledge, to work, and to learn, so we can all be successful. We will listen to each other, help each other, and encourage each other. We will make things happen and show the world we will not accept anything short of the best. All right, good job, guys. Good gracious. All right. 100% of Mrs. Met students will show growth on unit assessments throughout the 2020-2021 school year. They will accomplish this goal by being purposeful and intentional with their time and learning. Today's learning objective is you will review states of matter, types of energy, and the changes to the Earth's surface. You will know you have learned these concepts by completing the coloring pages at 100%. Your warm-ups, champs, is to make sure that your communication is at a level 0. If you need help, raise your hand. Your activity is your reading, thinking, solving, typing, sometimes drawing. Your movement is to stay in your spot. Please make sure that your camera is not going all over the place. Your participation is you're 100% focused on you and what you are doing. You're not worried about others so that we can all be successful. Our warm-up this morning says, man, it's blurry. Explain 2 ways you have used electric energy in the last week. Oh my gosh. Number 2 says, observe the closed circuit. Circle the light bulb or bulbs that will remain lit if we cut the wire in the place shown below. Explain your thinking below the diagram. Oh, that's fascinating. I like that question. All right. I don't know if this is linked. No. So let me show you where to go to. That's not. Just kidding. Let me show you where to go to get into it. So to get to your warm-up, go to Mrs. Met's homepage. My computer is cold this morning, just going slow. I am going to go into student view, so my view looks very much similar to yours. Guys, don't forget, if you guys have any zeros or missing assignments for science, the big, huge yellow button will take you to makeup assignments. See? Don't forget, you can click that big, huge yellow button, and there's 8 different assignments that you can choose from to make up any zeros that you have. You do have to give it a minute for the page to load. Hang on a minute. If you have a question about that, hang on to it till the end. To get to your warm-up, you guys taught me the easiest thing to do is to go into modules. Your week 17 warm-up is right there on top. I'm going to go ahead and click that. You're going to load your week 17 warm-up. If yours is asking you to authorize, go ahead and authorize it. You're going to use your HEB ISD email. It may ask you to do it twice. It's totally okay. It's not the end of the year when that happens. If you need more space, don't forget you can plus it to make it bigger. You can zoom in to make it bigger. We're working on Tuesday, and I will give you 5 minutes. Set timer for 5 minutes. Whoa, wait a minute. So I know that I wrote down 3, technically 4 things. I am going to go ahead and give you 2 minutes to finish typing or writing your answers for both 1 and 2, right? And I didn't explain it. I didn't explain my thinking. So let me explain my thinking. I'm going to explain my thinking below because bulb, might be helpful if I spell that correctly. Bulb 2 and 3 are in a closed circuit. Bulb 2 and 3 are in a closed circuit. So I'm going to give you 2 minutes to go ahead and make sure that you have any updates on your warm-up that you need. Make sure you click submit, save as. Not submit, submit, save as. You have 2 minutes and go. Set it. Warm-up. I am going to go back to my Canvas homepage. So that you can see, and again, you guys are the ones that taught me this. Modules is the quickest way to get into your assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click on modules. And again, you see 3 different reviews here. States of matter, types of energy, weathering, erosion, and deposition. Since I started on states of matter yesterday, I'm going to go ahead and click on the types of energy review today. And this is basically going to be the same thing as we did yesterday, where you're going to answer the question. The answer tells you what color it is. So you go down to the coloring page, and for number 1, you color it whatever the answer said it was. So let me show you what I mean. As soon as it loads. All right. So this one says types of energy. And number 1 says Ellen designed a glider that used a wound up rubber band to power the propeller. What energy transformation takes place between the rubber band and the propeller? Potential to mechanical, chemical to mechanical, or potential to thermal? Are there any chemicals involved in a rubber band? No. Is there any heat involved in a rubber band? No. So my answer is clearly this potential to mechanical. So I am going to come over here to my color palette. I'm going to click red. I'm going to change it. Let me go to my drawing. I'm going to change my drawing to red. Maybe. It's not cooperating. I'm going to circle that as my answer, right? Then I'm going to scroll down here to number 1. Wow, that's small. So I am going to click this plus sign up here. I'm going to zoom in, zoom, 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 zoom. I am going to color this number 1 red. Woo! It's not a very good coloring job, is it? I'm going to color this one red. Now, why am I coloring all these number 1s red?
You circled the last name and it said red.
You are absolutely correct. You are correct. So that's why I'm coloring all these number 1s red. if you have the Chromebook, you can easily turn your screen, fold it backwards and turn it into a tablet. It might make it easier to do this, right? All right. So you're going to continue on with the same things with the number 2s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? All right.